Hi everyone, so today's vlog we have headed to the RAF Museum in London. So I'm going to take you around with the 360 camera, but first we're going to head over to the potentially Spitfire, that one over there. So we're going to hyper jump and I'll see you there. Yeah. Alright, so the first one we can see is, I think this one is the Spitfire, Supermarine Spitfire. Can you see it, Charlie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should we go and have a look underneath?
Yeah.
Should we go and look underneath?
Are you allowed on the ground?
This bit, I think so. Right, so we're going to hyper jump over there. We'll see you there. Hey, go, Charlie, go. Wow, look at that, Charlie. Yeah. Oh. Can you see it, Ollie?
Yes.
Yeah, have a look. Should we go and look at it? Wow. Wow. Can you fit in that, Charlie? Can you fit in it?
No.
Should we have a go under it? It won't fall. Wow. Can you go under it? Can you reach it? Wow.
I can't reach it.
That's good, isn't it? Maybe not touch it. Right, should we go inside?
Yeah.
Right, we'll see you inside. See you in a minute. There are controls in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Going down.
Wow. Can you see in? We have been inside this hangar here, behind you over there, H1. Did you get to the top?
Yeah.
I don't think you're meant to be on the grass. There's some signs, but don't worry too much.
Can't get down though.
Yeah, just be careful. So in a second we're going to walk around the other hangars, because there's loads of different buildings and hangars that we can go into with loads of different types of aircraft. And we'll see you there. Just be careful and don't get your hands dirty. Right, see you in a minute. Alright, so we've come out through there because we went the wrong way. Now we've come this way. We're going to go around to the hangars and take a look at these cool kind of patrol boats. Let's go and have a look. Do you see them, Ollie? Do we look at the boats? I saw his spit come out of his nose from here. General purpose pinnace. Wow, look, Ollie, is that boat? Say wowee. Wowee. Is that amazing? Wow, look how good they are. Alright, so we are inside the hangar now. You can see there's loads of different aircraft and we can peep into this one. We're inside another hangar now, and there's loads of different big planes around, so I'll try and take you over into one in a second. So we're going to come into their helicopter. Do you know what type of helicopter this is?
A two-craft helicopter.
A two-rotor helicopter, yeah. So it's got two rotors. It's called a Chinook. You know that?
And look at the front. So it's got a long light,
Yeah.
and it's got switches on the top,
Wow.
and a little bit of lights there.
Yeah.
That are on.
What else is there?
A little door.
Yeah. Yeah. Right, hold hands. Just be careful. Carefully. Carefully, Ollie. Carefully. You're messing Dad's hair up. Make your bums. Tell the people on camera what that is. What's that? So they can hear.
It's a pig.
That's a person, but that's the engine. And look at that one. Look at that pig on there. Isn't that amazing? Charlie, can you see me? So we are currently under this absolutely ginormous wing. I'm pretty sure this is a Vulcan. I'll double check in a second. But yeah, we are standing completely underneath it. Let's just come out and have a look at this huge wing of this bomber. Absolutely massive, triangular shaped aircraft, but really cool that we can stand here, we can look all the way around, and then I'm overlapping this footage in the corner that you can see. Let's zoom into something. Now we're over at the front end. You can see all the way back here the massive wings and just the scale of this aircraft. Just about fits in the hangar. You can see up here that the fuel filler pipe is right by the walls. But yeah, just look at how huge the air intakes are for the twin engines on either side of the wings. Really cool to see, and it's really cool that we can come and see this. All right, another hyper jump come in. 3, 2, 1. Just take a look at this incredible aircraft. Absolutely huge, menacing looking bomber. while we're under here, underneath the big wing, I can demonstrate that we can layer stuff over the top of this video. So not only have we got the video that I'm taking with this camera or phone here, up over here, but I don't know if you can read this via the camera angle that we've got on the X2, these signs here, but what I'll do is I'll put them over here, up in the air. So over here, this area here, you'll be able to see those pictures and signs over there.
Then we had a little break, then we had a little lunch.
Yeah,
then we gone to see the boat, then I climbed up there.
Yeah.
Then there.
Yeah.
Then we had a little bit more park.
Yeah.
We go to the park.
Yeah.
Then we had little toys here.
Yeah. And then we're going home.
Yeah. Now we're going home.
Great. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
We're going to the park.
Okay, let's go to the park. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Laterz Potaterz.
Is that you coming up?
Oh, yeah.